Third, data control. This is where a lot of enterprise buyers get surprised later. Ask directly, where does our backup data live? Some vendors store a copy of your Salesforce data on their own servers. That means your data now exists in two places, and you have to account and secure those. Your Salesforce org and their infrastructure for regulated industries that expands your compliance scope significantly. Self-hosted or customer-controlled storage options exist specifically to avoid this. The backup lives inside an environment you already control, whether that's on-prem or your own cloud. If data residency or compliance scope matters to you or organization, ask about this directly rather than assuming. Fourth, deployment model. Can a platform run on-prem, in the cloud, or both at the same time? A lot of enterprise teams are mid-migration. Some systems on-prem, some already in the cloud, and a backup tool that can only supports one model forces you into a workaround or a second tool. Ask whether the vendor supports hybrid deployment, not as a workaround, and ask what changes operationally if you migrate from one to the other later. Fifth, pricing. This one's simple but easy to overlook. Some backup platforms price based on data volume, which means your bill grows every year as your Salesforce org grows. Often without warning, ask for the pricing structure specifically. Is it fixed, annual, or does it scale with storage and record count? If it scales, ask for the actual numbers at 2 times and 5 times your current data volume, not just today's numbers. That's the checklist. Restore speed, relational integrity, data control, deployment model, and pricing structure. Score any vendor against these 5 specifically, and you'll know quickly whether they're actually built for enterprise scale. I've put a written version of this checklist in the description if you want to use it on your next vendor call.